Jankos is here, and this is an episode of Jankos ASMR that you apparently asked for. I never really signed up for this, but you know what? I'm gonna do it for the fans because why not? I don't really know what you normally do for ASMR, so what I will do is I'm gonna use a couple of props that you can see on my table and try to make sounds with it, I guess. Let me start with pressing the mouse buttons a little bit. Maybe a little bit faster. I don't know if mouse is the proper prop to do it, but you know what? It's fine. We'll move on to counting the dollars that I get paid from Carlos to basically not do anything and just run it down the whole day. Pretty nice, isn't it? Now we are going to move on to my favorite person in the team. You know him very, very well from all my streams and video. It's the Mickey body pillow that I got for my birthday. So I suppose I'll just, I don't know. Now his head a little bit. So that was your Mickey ASMR. I got a little bit hungry, so we are gonna open Pringles now. because it was kinda awkward, not gonna lie. So I really don't know how streamers can do it every time. But I really do hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you next time. So have fun, have a great day, and see you.